Create 1000 monetizable YouTube Shorts in 10 minutes using ChatGPT plus Canva. Creating 1000 monetizable YouTube Shorts in just 10 minutes might sound ambitious, but with a streamlined process leveraging tools like ChatGPT for content ideation and Canva for design, you can establish a workflow to generate batches of high-quality shorts quickly and effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this, covering content ideation, script generation, graphic creation, and optimizing each short for monetization. 1. Understanding YouTube Shorts monetization criteria. Before jumping into content creation, it's important to understand what makes a YouTube Short monetizable. YouTube Shorts are typically short, engaging, and tailored to capture viewer attention within the first few seconds. To monetize shorts, focus on content that's original, avoid reusing unlicensed footage or music. Engaging, short content needs high viewer attention, so keep your shorts dynamic. Relevant to trends, trending topics can boost visibility and engagement. Compliant with YouTube's policies, avoid anything against community guidelines. Once you're clear on monetization requirements, you can set up an efficient workflow to create 1000 shorts using ChatGPT and Canva. 2. Setting up content categories and keywords to generate a large volume of content. Start by organizing categories based on high-interest, evergreen topics. These categories ensure content diversity and make your shorts appealing to a broad audience. Examples of popular content categories for shorts: motivational quotes, easily digestible, visually engaging, and popular across all demographics. Life hacks and tips, quick tips for daily life, like cooking hacks or organizational tricks. Fun facts or trivia, engage viewer with surprising facts in various fields like science, history, or pop culture. Fitness tips, short, actionable tips for healthy living, workout routines, or diet advice. How-to guides, mini tutorials on popular subjects like productivity, tech tips, or DIY crafts. Once you've established categories, use ChatGPT to brainstorm subtopics for each category and to create variations, which will allow you to batch create unique shorts on similar subjects. 3. Using ChatGPT to generate scripts for shorts. ChatGPT can save time by quickly generating scripts for multiple shorts based on the content categories you've identified. Here's how: step-by-step guide to script generation. Define your prompts. Create a prompt that instructs ChatGPT to generate short, engaging scripts. For example, generate a 15-second script for a motivational YouTube short based on the quote, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal." Keep it concise and engaging. Write a short script sharing a fun fact about space for a YouTube short. Batch creation. Since ChatGPT can generate multiple responses in a single session, ask it to provide 10 to 20 scripts at a time. A single prompt can yield several variations or unique scripts, allowing you to quickly gather content for each category. Organize scripts. Create a document to store each generated script under its respective category. Label each script for easy reference, and review for any adjustments needed. Content optimization. Keep each script concise, within 15 to 60 seconds, and ensure it's engaging from the start to retain viewer, which is essential for shorts. Example script: motivational quote, "Did you know that failure is a stepping stone to success?" Remember, success is not final, failure is not fatal. Keep pushing forward, and every step will bring you closer to your goals. By using ChatGPT to generate scripts in bulk, you are setting up a solid foundation for producing large volumes of shorts efficiently. 4. Designing YouTube Shorts using Canva. Once your scripts are ready, the next step is creating the visuals for your shorts. Canva is a versatile tool with pre-made templates optimized for video content. Here's how to use Canva for mass-producing YouTube Shorts. Step-by-step guide to Canva design. Set up a template. In Canva, create a 1080 by 1920 px template, YouTube Shorts format. Choose a design style that aligns with your category, for example, bold text for motivational quotes or bright, fun colors for trivia. Use Canva templates. Canva offers a variety of customizable templates. Pick one that suits your script's theme. For instance, text-based templates, great for quotes and tips. Photo and graphic templates, for trivia or fun facts where images enhance the content. Design automation. Canva's Bulk Create feature allows you to import data, like quotes or facts, and apply it across multiple designs. Here's how to do it. Prepare a CSV file with each row representing a script or text for one shot. Import the CSV into Canva, and use the Bulk Create function to apply text data to your chosen template. This feature enables you to create multiple slides with unique content in seconds. Add visual elements, enhance each shot with engaging visuals, animations, apply text animations to grab attention. Backgrounds and colors. Use contrasting colors for text to improve readability. Icons and images. Add relevant icons or stock images from Canva's library for context. Download and export. After designing your batch, export the slides as separate video files or combine them into a sequence if you want to add transitions between shots. 5. Adding audio and final edits. Music and sound effects make shots more engaging. YouTube has a library of free music that can be added to each shot, or you can use Canva's audio options. Here's how to quickly add audio. Use YouTube's audio library. Select free tracks suited to each category. Motivational shots work well with inspiring music, while trivia might benefit from light, fun tunes. Upload audio to Canva. If you're using Canva Pro, upload the audio file, then drag it onto each shot. Quick edits in YouTube. After uploading, you can use YouTube's built-in editor to trim or adjust audio levels. 6. Uploading and scheduling on YouTube. Uploading 1000 shots at once would be overwhelming, so consider uploading in batches. YouTube's scheduling feature is invaluable here. Batch uploading. Organize files by category, then upload them in batches of 20 to 50. Optimize titles and descriptions. Use keywords for discoverability. Since titles are essential for shots' visibility, keep them concise and relevant. Add hashtags. Use relevant hashtags like #motivation, #lifehacks, or #trivia to help with discoverability. Schedule for consistent posting. Aim to post 2 to 5 shots daily, using YouTube's scheduling tool to automate this. Spacing out uploads will help maintain consistent engagement. 7. Automating the workflow for ongoing production. To continuously produce monetizable content without repeating the entire process, set up an efficient, repeatable workflow, script library. Maintain a content bank of pre-written scripts for quick access. Canva templates. Save and reuse Canva templates for each category to speed up the design process. AI updates. Use ChatGPT to generate new variations on successful shots or trending topics as they emerge. 8. Optimizing shots for higher engagement. For your shots to be monetizable, they must achieve high engagement, so focus on making them as captivating as possible. Hook viewer in the first 3 seconds. Start with an attention-grabbing question, statement, or visual. Keep it concise. Avoid dragging out the video. Engagement drops significantly if the message isn't direct and clear. Encourage interaction. Use call-to-action phrases like, comment below with your favorite tip, or, share this with a friend who needs to see it. A/B testing. Track which types of shots perform best and adjust future content accordingly. 9. Analyzing performance and adjusting. To ensure continuous success with your shots, regularly analyze performance metrics, YouTube analytics, check retention rates, watch times, and engagement on each shot. Experiment with formats. Test different formats, lengths, and styles to see what resonates most with your audience. Use feedback for improvement. Pay attention to comments or feedback, as these can guide content creation. Final thoughts. Scaling with consistency and quality. Creating 1000 monetizable YouTube shots in 10 minutes may be challenging, but by setting up efficient workflows, using ChatGPT for script generation, and Canva for quick design, it's achievable over time. Batch creation allows you to continuously upload engaging, high-quality content without overwhelming yourself. Once you have a system in place, you can scale production and focus on refining the quality, increasing engagement, and adapting to audience interests to maximize your short's monetization potential.